We are from 7th class.
Today we talk about measurements, conversions, and how we use every day.
Measurements are very simple. They help us to find out how long, heavy, or big. Something, for example, when you measure the height of a door, the weight of fruits, the amount of water in a bottle, your ASI measurements. Maths makes this task easier, and that's why it is so important to understand measurements and conversions.
In cooking, you might need sugar in grams or milk in liters. In shopping, you weighted the vegetables kilograms or grams. In traveling, you calculate the distance of time or hours. See this. This is liquids. The 10 milliliters is equals to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliter is equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliter is equals to 1 liter. I have an example. I pour in the glasses. See this. The 1000 milliliters is equals to 1 liter. 100 centiliter is equals to 1 liter. 10 deciliter is equals to 1 liter. Next, my friend is continue.
In our daily life, we see seconds, hours, days, years. 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute and 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour. 24 hours is equals to 1 day. 7 days is equals to 1 week. 365 days is equals to 52 weeks or 1 year. 10 years is equals to 1 decade. 100 years is equals to 1 century. Next, my friend will be continuing.
This is meters. 10 millimeters is equals to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equals to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equals to 1 meter. 10 meter is equals to 1 decameter. 10 decameter is equals to 1 hectometer. 10 hectometer is equals to 1 kilometer. I have an example. See this. We go to Uppal to Paradise Hotel. The Uppal to Paradise Hotel is the distance has 1 kilometer. 10 lakhs millimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. 1 lakh centimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. 10,000 decimeter is equals to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. 100 decameter is equals to 1 kilometer. 10 hectogram is equals to 1 kilometer. Next, my friend is continue.
10 milligrams is equals to 1 centigram and 10 centigrams is equals to 1 decigram. 10 decigrams is equals to 1 gram. 10 grams is equals to 1 decagram. 10 decagrams is equals to 1 hectogram. 10 hectograms is equals to 1 kilogram. And I have an example for you. This is the weighing machine. This is the kilogram. 10 lakh milligrams is equals to 1 kilogram. 1 lakh centigrams is equals to 1 kilogram. 10,000 decigrams is equals to 1 kilogram. 1000 grams is equals to 1 kilogram. 100 decagrams is equals to 1 kilogram. And 10 hectograms is equals to 1 kilogram. And this is the flow chart of grams. Thank you for listening to us.
I hope you enjoy this project.
So you have a wonderful day.
Next session. So topic only in now I'm talking about kilometers.
బొడ్డులో కావాలి రెండుగా కవర్ చేయాలి పెద్ద ఇష్టం ఇప్పుడు ఇట్లా కవర్ చేయాలి అమర్తారు కెమెరా అమర్తారు అది కూడా కమ్
Good morning, parents. My name is Srikar. I am studying in 8th class.
My name is Ganesha. I am studying in 8th class.
Now we are going to explain about money lending and money making. The first topic my friend Ganesha will explain.
The first topic is interest. In interest, there are two types of interest. First type is simple interest and second type is compound interest. In simple interest, the interest amount will add to this principal amount. The principal amount means which the money lender gives to the borrower is called as principal amount. For example, I am lender, he is borrower. I am giving 5,000 rupees for him for six months to prepay me with 40,000 interest. Now we should calculate that. To calculate this, there is a formula for this. It is PDR by 100. So we should calculate that. PTR by 100. So principal amount is 5,000 into 1 by 2, because in year it is half of the part and 40% interest. So by 100, this zeros will cancel, 2 ones are 225s are equals to 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. So the principal amount is added to the interest amount. So 5,000 plus 1,000 is equals to 6,000. So you should give 6,000 in 6 months. Now the next one is compound interest. The compound interest is directly calculated in for repay the money. So there is a formula to calculate this. So the formula is P of 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. N means a particular year or time. So for example, principal amount is 6,500 and 1 plus I gave 5% interest. So I gave 1 year. So we should calculate that. Then 1 into 100 by 1 into 100 plus 1 into 5. The power of 1. 6,500. The power of 100 plus 5 by 100. 6,500. 105 by 100. So we should calculate this now first. 0 will cancelled. So the answer is rupees 6,825 rupees. So you should give 6,825 rupees per year. The next topic will say my friend sticker.
Now I am going to explain about discounts. In festivals, the shops and companies will give discount offers, and we will see the pamphlets and will run to shop malls and will buy them. If in that there is a product which rate is 300, the owner kept 12% discount on it, but we don't know how to calculate the discount. Now I will say how to calculate the discount. Percent means by 100. Three into 12. Now 36 rupees is equal to 12% in 300. 300 minus 12% is equal to 300 minus 36. 36 rupees. Now 264 rupees. After subtracting the 12% discount, we should give to the owner 264 rupees. Like this, we should calculate the discounts. Next, my friend Ganesha will explain next topic.
The next topic is types of taxes. There are two types of taxes. They are GST and VAT. GST means goods and services tax. VAT means value added tax. In GST, there are types CGST and SGST. CGST is in central government control and SGST is in state government control. For example, this book is there. This book costs 60 rupees. 60 rupees. So 60 rupees cost. The government takes 7% tax. So we should add to this amount. So 60 into 7 by 100. So we should calculate this. 420 by 10. So the answer is 4.2. And this rupees will add it to the 60 rupees. So 60 plus 4.2. So the answer is 64.2 or 64 rupees. Like this, we should calculate the GST. The value added tax is charges for everything. For example, this cake is there. This cake is charges very high taxes. For example, it takes producing, manufacturing, distributing, retailing, consuming. For example, the cake rupees is 90 rupees. The government takes 8% interest. So we should calculate that. So 90 into 8 by 100. So we should calculate that. The answer is 7.2. We should add to the 890 rupees. So 90 plus 7.2 is equals to 97.2 or 97 rupees. So The cost of cake is 97 rupees. Like this, we should calculate the taxes.
Now the last topic is profit and loss. Now I will explain about profit and loss with a practical example. Before that, profit means when we invest money and we got surplus money of that, then it is called profit. And when we calculate it into percentage, then it is called profit percentage. And loss means when we invest money and we got less rather than we spent, then it is called loss. And when we calculate it into percentage, then it is called loss percentage. For example, in 1990s, the Nokia company started. In those times, the company was run very well because that's why the Nokia company have in those times the Nokia company have very profit and it has so much money. But now there are so many companies to push the Nokia company away. That's why there are no customers, there is no profit, there is only loss. Now I will say how to calculate the profit, loss and profit percentage, loss percentage. Now first one. Now, SP is equal to 40,000 and CP is equal to 20,000. SP means selling price. CP means cost price. Now I will say the formula for, now I will say about how to calculate profit. There is a formula for profit. This is the formula for calculating the profit. Profit is equal to SP 40,000 minus CP 20,000. Profit is equal to 20,000. Now profit percentage. There is another formula for profit percentage. That is profit percentage is equal to profit by CP into 100. This is the formula for the profit percentage. Now profit percentage is equal to PP, profit percentage is equal to profit 20,000 by CP, CP 20,000 into 100. Into 100. Now 20,000 and 20,000 gets cancelled. Now profit percentage is equal to 100%. Means we got 100% profit in this profit, in this problem. Now I will say how to calculate the loss. There is a formula for calculating loss. That is, this is the formula. Oh, sorry. Now CP is equal to 20,000, SP is equal to 20,000 and CP is equal to 40,000. Now CP minus SP, 40,000 minus 20,000. Loss is equal to 20,000. Now we shall calculate loss percentage. There is a formula for this, that is loss percentage is equal to loss by CP into 100. Now loss percentage is equal to loss 20,000, loss 20,000 by CP 40,000 into 100. 0 zeros gets cancelled and 2 ones are 2 twos are. Now 2 ones are 2 50s are. Loss percentage is equal to 50%. Now like this we should calculate the loss and loss percentage. Thank you for listening.
పట్టుకోమరా చాటిరా అలా పట్టుకో అట్లా అది కూడా లేవుడింగ్స్ నేను ఇక్కడ కూర్చోడింగ్స్ వెళ్ళిపోతాను ఇక్కడనే రా స్పీకర్ మాకు ఓపిక లేదు చైర్ తెచ్చుకోవాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇది చాలా ల్యాప్టాప్ పెట్టుకొస్తావారు ఫస్ట్ పెట్టేస్తాం ల్యాప్టాప్ పెట్టేస్తాం
నువ్వు టాపిక్ మారుతావా
ఆగలే చేసుకొని ఇన్వర్టర్ చాట్లో ఉన్న ఇన్వర్టర్స్ ఇలా వాళ్ళు ఏం లేదు వాళ్ళు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ లేదు వాళ్ళది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్
అంతవరం చేసిండ్రా
తీసేసినాం పెట్టినాం కదా పని నుంచి ఏంటి అన్న సున్నా ఒక్క నిమిషం
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Srinivasa. I am from 7th class. My project name is integers in banking, the making the behind money. Today I am talk about integers and how they work in a bank account. Integers are whole numbers that can be positive whole numbers, negative whole numbers, or zero. Positive integers are like 1, 2, 3. It's negative integers are -1, -2, -3. It's zero is also an integer, but it's neither positive or negative. Now let's connect this to a bank. In a bank, there are two main things: deposit and withdraw. Next, my friend will continue.
Deposit means give the
Take
take it in the money. Give the money. Withdraw means take it in the take it in the money.
the money.
My friend is
It is withdrawal from deposit form. It is deposit form. Here you have to write the branch, account number, how much you want to deposit, in words, account number, date, how much you want to deposit, cash deposit, phone number, your sign. It is a positive integer. It is withdrawal form. Withdrawal form. Here write the holder name, account holder name, date, account number, how much you want to take, phone number, sign. It is a negative integer. It is we written in the caps positive integer, negative integer, and 0. First, we have to do the first row positive integer.
అరే అవి కాదు, అరే కింద ఉంటాయిరా అన్నిటికీ ఇక్కడి నుంచి అదే
First row positive integer. Second row negative integer. Third row 0. It is positive integer. First row. Second row is negative integer. Third one is 0. Thank you for visiting our project.
తీరా
బాగు అన్న వర్కౌట్ తెలియదు ఎట్లా అంటే ఊసిపోయినా తీసిన కింద కూడా ఒకటి ఉన్నది అన్న.
అవసరం లేదు.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Varun Kumar. I am studying in 6th class. Now I am going to tell about First one is geometrical instruments. First one is protractor. Protractor is a tool used to measure and draw angles. We use a protractor in designs, building angles, and draw shapes, etc. Next, compass. Compass is a tool used to draw circles. Compass is used for draw circles and polygon and finding the center of radius. Next, divider. Divider is a tool used to measure the distance and draw radius circles. Next, scale. Scale is a tool used to draw measure the length and draw shapes. Last one is set squares. Set square is a triangle used to draw the straight lines. Thank you for visiting my project.
Good morning, guys. My name is Arun.
ఆగురా అట్లా పైన పెట్టుకోరా అట్లా.
Good morning, guys. My name is Arun. My friend name is. We are here to conduct the math tricky questions. My friend will explain the. My friend will explain the problems.
I am an odd number. Take away one letter and I become even what I am. S is SCVEN 7 is S cut the S is even. This answer is 7.
Next problem. How do you get a number 100 by using 4 sevens and a 1? First, question number is 9. First, we should add this. We should subtract this. The answer is 100. We taken 4 sevens and 1. The answer is equal to 100.
Which three numbers have the same answer whether they are added or multiplied together? 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Answer is 6. Answer is 1, 2, 3.
If 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 3, 3 is equal to 5, 4 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 4, then 6 is equal to how much? We should find this answer. The answer is here in the 1 there are 3 letters ONA 1 and second letter 2 there are 3 letters TWO2 and third one there are 5 letters THREA and fourth one FOUR is equal to 4. Fifth one is there are 4 F5 then 6 is equal to how much? The answer is 3. How means in that 3 letters are be SIX. No.
What is the number of parking space covered by car? Means first parking place is 16, second 6, third 68, 68, fourth 88, fifth is Answer is 6 to 98. This page is turning reverse.
It is a puzzle game. We should turn the paper, and the answer is 86. We should find the space of the car, and the beside number is 88, 89, 90, 91. The answer is 87.
It's
Using only an addition, how do you add 8 8s and get the number 1000? First, you should add 8 8. Then the number should become 1000. Triple 8 plus double 8 is equals to 974 plus 8 plus 8. Again, we should add
976.
yes, 976, and we should add one more 992 plus 8. The answer is 1000. More question.
Make a correct equation using the number 2, 3, 4, and 5, and the symbol is called and place. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. This is wrong. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 5 plus 6 3. 8. This,
No, the answer is wrong.
this answer is wrong.
Yes.
Very good number.
చెప్తాది wrong. అంటాం, friends తో.
చెప్పట్లనే ఇప్పుడు.
We should find the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5. They given, we should add the numbers and is equals to the answer should become same. First, what are the numbers? 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sorry,
రాసుకున్నాం రా.
wrong. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7.
This
The
answer is
answer is
7.
7. If three boys can eat 3 burgers in 3 minutes, how much time will take for 10 boys to eat 10 burgers? We should find this answer. The answer is 3 minutes.
Find the number of triangles. How much triangles in this triangle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Answer is 13.
Thank you, and you visit our project and have a great day. Bye. Hello.
అది పట్టుకోరా.
What did they say?
Thank you for
My name is Ramanujan. I am studying in ninth standard. Now I am going to explain the topic probability. Probability means that it is a measure of likelihood of an event to occur. The probability can range from 0 to 1. Here 0 means the event to be an impossible one, means the event is impossible to done, and 1 means the event is a certainly event, means the event is definitely will be done. Uh, we have formulas for this probability. There are two formulas. First one, number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes, and second one, P of E plus P of not E is equals to 1. With these formulas we can find the probability of an event. Now, this probability has many daily life applications in our day-to-day life. Let us see some of them. When you tossing a coin, rolling a die, the weather forecasting, the weather forecasters, the weather forecasters use this probability concept and they will forecast the weather, uh, winning lucky draw, choosing a card from a deck of cards. In share markets, the getting high shares of high prices of share in share market, they will follow this. Means, for example, this is a die. We have taken a die. This is a product, which is this product has more demand in the market. The investors who have more money, they will invest their money on the factory which produce this die. They will invest their money on that factory. Before that, for example, if they are going to invest 10 crores in that factory, before they will do this, here the 10 crores they are going to invest. They will do some they will do some mathematical models, means this probability, they will use this probability and they will find the probability of of this event, and if by the results of it, if they are going to have profit, they will invest the money. If not, they will not invest the money on the factory. Like this, probability has many examples in our day-to-day life. So we have understood the concept probability. Let's do some problems on this probability. See, here probability of getting heart A. Probability of getting heart A. In deck of cards, how many cards we will having? 52 cards we are having. In that heart Eka means heart A, there is only one card, heart A, means the favorable outcomes. We should use the formula number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So, using this formula, we are going to find the probability. Here, heart eka. There is only one card heart eka in the deck of cards. Means favorable outcomes are 1. And total number of outcomes means total deck of cards. How many we will having? 52 cards they are. So total number of outcomes are 52. Here it is the solution. The probability of getting heart A means heart eka is 1 by 52. Next, second one, probability of getting club shaped cards means see, this is the shape of club shaped cards. In deck of cards there are 4 shapes. 4 shapes having 13 cards means club shaped cards also having 13 cards. So number of favorable outcomes are 13 and total number of outcomes means deck of cards are 52. So when we simplify this, we will get 0.1. 0.1 means 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is the required answer. 1 by 10 is the probability of getting club shaped cards is 1 by 10. And last and final, probability of getting spade numbered cards means this is the shape of spade. The spade numbered cards means this spade shaped cards also there are 13 means in the 13 when we remove faces and eka means faces means jack, queen and king and eka means here we have observed this is eka. When we remove this there are 9 numbers means favorable outcomes are 9. Favorable outcomes are 19. Then total number of outcomes are 52 means deck of cards are having 52 cards. So 52. When we simplify this, we'll get so here the probability of getting spade numbered cards are 1 by 10. That's it. Thank you.
ఇది ఉండాలా? గిదెందుకు తెచ్చినావు? అన్నా ఆగన్న. అమ్మో. హలో. Good evening, everyone. I am Pujita. She is my friend Vaishnavi. Today we are introducing about one of the most important chapter in mathematics, that is called trigonometry. Trigonometry is used to find the Trigonometry is the study of relationship between angles, sides of a right angle triangle, and also to find the missing or unknown angles of a right angle triangle using trigonometric formulas, functions, and trigonometric identities. Trigonometric ratios is also called as trigonometric functions: sine, cosine, and tangent. These three are important functions in trigonometry. They are abbreviated as sine, cos, and tan. Let us see the applications in our daily life of trigonometry. In our earlier time, the ancient mathematicians used the trigonometry to build an equal length of the pyramid. To measure the height of this pole, we can use the trigonometry by the angle of the elevation. In construction, the architect must determine the pitch of the roof to ensure the proper aesthetic appeal. This is at theodolite. It is used to measure the angle. Trigonometry formulas and calculations is also used to construct a rocket, and also for the optimal launch of the rocket, they are used for to reach the rocket trajectory. And also trigonometry formulas are also used to find the distance between planets, stars, as well as related to the Earth. In cricket, the fielders use the trigonometry to calculate the trajectory. In cricket, the fielders use trigonometry to calculate the trajectory of the ball to catch. Batsmen and fielders estimate the distance to hit or catch the ball by applying the concepts of trigonometry like angles and proportions. Captain used trigonometry principles to determine the best place to the fielders based on the angle. Thank you. Have a nice day.
గుర్తుందా చూసుకో. జరుపుకోవాలి.
ఏ ఆగండి. First of all, happy Mathematics Day for all. I am Kartika from 8th class.
I am Nikshita from 8th class.
We are telling about divisibility rules. First of all, divisibility rules are so important for mathematics, like simplifying factors, identifying multiples.
And checking for prime numbers.
First of all, divisibility rule of 2. In divisibility rule of 2, there will be the units place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. For example, 22. 22 is a divisibility rule of 2. And next, divisibility rule of 3. There will be one formula for the divisibility rule of 3. A plus B plus C is equals to multiple of 3. And next, divisibility rule of 4. In divisibility rule of 4, at the last two digits is equals to multiple of 4, or last two digits is equals to zeros. Example, 400 for 48 rupees. And next, divisibility rule of 5. In divisibility rule of 5, the units place will be 0 or 5. And next, divisibility rule of 6, there will be both 2 and 3 divisibility rules. And my friend Nikshita will continue.
Divisibility rule of 7. Here there one formula, 2a plus 3d plus c is equals to multiple of 7. Next. పట్టుకో అన్న. And next, divisibility rule of 8. In this, last three digits are zeros, multiple of 8. And next, divisibility rule of 9. Sum of the all digits are multiple of 9. In divisibility rule of 10, in last units place are 0. Example 20, 30 or etc. And next, divisibility rule of 11. In this, if a plus c plus e are odd digit place, and minus of b plus d is even digit place. That is about multiple of 11. Thank you.
Thank you. Once again, happy Mathematics Day for all.
చేయమని చెప్పలేదు.
పాప నువ్వా ఇదే నన్ను చాటు ఇదే నన్ను
అన్నది ఇరవై
I'm Sadiksha. I'm studying in 8th class. I wanted to do some magics with you. Pick a number, add 5, multiply with 3, subtract 15, divide with your original number, add 7. Your answer is 10.
Right answer.
Second trick is take a 3-digit number
Okay.
with same number. The sum of the digits divide with that number. Your answer is 37.
Very good.
Third trick is
It's a.
choose a number.
Okay, I have chosen some number.
The card fit there in which section?
In this section.
అన్న ముందుకు రా. No?
Middle section. This section. Correct.
Fourth point is take a 6-digit number. The 2 digits are same. With 3 digits, the answer is 3000. The sum of the digits divided with that number is answer is 3367. Fifth is
అక్కడనే మార్క్ చేసుకో.
Can you please tell the date of birth?
So I am giving a date 24 October
October
2010. 2010.
24 0 10 2 4 8 10 4 8 12 3 42 4 6 42 Sunday.
Correct. Sunday is the
Sunday.
correct. That's for my sister's birthday. It's absolutely correct.
Ante, thank you.
ఏం కాదు 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 నాకు అది అది
అంతే చెప్పలే.
ఏం తలగడు కూర్చోపోయాడు గాన్నో గాన్నో పోతారా కావాలి ఇక్కడ కూర్చోపోయాడు వాళ్ళు వచ్చినాక వీళ్ళు ఎత్తారు వీళ్ళు ఎదురా వీళ్ళు కూర్చోపో మళ్ళా
Spinning with school.
Good evening, everyone. I am Nagasri. She is my friend Niharika. We are from 6th class. We are excited to share our project, fractions and decimals.
Here we have water fractions and decimals. I'll explain about fractions. A fraction represents a part of a whole. It is written in the form numerator by denominator word. Numerator tells us number of parts taken. Denominator tells us total parts in the whole. Here 2 parts in the whole, one shaded part and another part is empty. One is numerator, 2 is denominator, 1 by 2. Here 4 parts in the whole, one shaded part, another 3 parts are empty. One is numerator, 4 is denominator, 1 by 4. Here we have 5 parts in the whole, 2 parts are shaded and 3 parts are empty. 2 is numerator, 5 is denominator. Next my friend explained about decimals.
Decimal. A decimal represents a part of whole using a decimal point. It is based on powers of 10. Example, 0.25 represents 25 parts out of 100 parts.
Now fractions to decimals conversion. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Example, 3 by 4 is equals 3 divided by 4.
is equals 0.75 is answer. Real life example. Money 0.25 rupees is 1 by 4 of 1 rupee. Show 1 rupees split into 4 0.2 rupees coins. 25 paisas are 4 is equals 1 rupee. 50 paisas is 2 is equals 1 rupee.
Decimal to fraction conversion. Write the decimal fraction with 1 as the denominator. 0.5 is the question. Is equals 0.5 by 1 is equals 5 by 10. Here we are taking 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10 is equals 1 by 2. Real life examples. A water bottle holds 0.5 liters is equals 1 by 2 liters. Where do we use fractions and decimals? Cooking, money, sports.
Cooking. Recipes like 0.25 cups of sugar is equals 1 by 4 cup. Here, one of full cup of sugar. It divided 4 cups. Here, 4 parts are there. One part 1 by 4 is cup. 2 parts 2 by 4 is 1 cup. 3 parts 3 by 4. 4 parts are 1 cup.
Money. 1 rupees 50 paisa is equals 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals 3 by 2.
Sports. Cricket run rates. Example 6.25 is equal 625 by 100. 25 table. 25 25 is a 625. 25 4 is a 100 is equals 25 by 4. Activity.
Here we have a small activity. I will roll it. You just point your finger on it. 1 by 5 is the fraction. She will explain it.
5. Here 0. Here one number only. That's why 5. 0.5.
0.2.
Okay, I will show division like 5 divided by 1. 5 zeros are 0. Here point. So 10. 5 twos are 10. Minus remainder 0. 0.2 is decimal.
Yes, it's right. Here we can see fraction to decimal conversion. 1 by 5 is the fraction. It converts into decimal as 0.2. Thank you for visiting our project.
Have a nice day. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Hello.
My name is Emanaswini and she is my friend Sai Srija and we are from 9th class. Today we are going to tell you about the surface areas. So let us see what is the surface area. The space occupied by a two-dimensional flat surface is called the area. It is measured in square units. Let us take an example. This is just a flat surface. Here we don't have any height. So here we call this as area, not as surface area. But in surface area, the three-dimensional figures have surface area because they have length, breadth and height as you see here. And generally surface areas are two types. They are TSA and LSA, means total surface area and lateral surface area, which is also called as curved surface area. Here, total surface area. Total surface area means not the outer surface of the object, including the bases. For example, these all curved path and also the basis of the object is called as the total surface area. For example, next, curved surface area. Now, my friend will explain you about the curved surface area.
Curved surface area. Curved surface area. Curved surface area refers to the area only the curved path of the space shape excluding its base. Curved surface area is also called as lateral surface area. Curved surface area curved surface area only consider the curved path of the object. It avoid the avoid the bottom and base and for example we take these objects. Surface areas. Cuboid. Cuboid is a three-dimensional figure and we close the cuboid it has length, breadth, height. We open the cuboid, it has 6 faces, 6 surfaces. We consider the total part of the cuboid. It comes the total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area of the cuboid is 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. And the curved surface area of the cuboid is, we consider only the four surfaces. We avoid the bottom and top faces. In bottom, we consider the 4 faces. The lateral surface area is 2H of L plus B. And another one is cube. Cube also have length, breadth, height. But in cube and cuboid is difference. It has same surfaces, same equal surfaces, but cuboid not have the same surfaces, same length and breadth. We open the cuboid, it also has 6 faces, and we consider the 6 faces of the cube and
surface area of the cube is 6a square, and curved surface area of the cube is 4 faces we consider, means 4a square. Our friend will be continue.
So the next one is cone. Yeah, as you see here, this is a cone. We generally use cone in our birthday parties, like children's wear it on your head, right, as a cap. Now let us see how it looks. I just opened it, which we call as a net form. Now the cone, what I did is just took some centimeters and did an arc of it. Then simply cut it off. Then this bases of the triangle, as you see here, are the circumference of the circle. So here we can see that these all triangles are isosceles, which means two sides are equal but not the other side. Now the bases will become the circumference of the circle. Now we will see the CSA, means curved surface area of a cone. Here curved surface area means we only consider this part only, not the base. Now we know that it is a one triangle, this is another, like this we have plenty of it. Now we know that the area of triangle is half BH, right? Here base is, as we see here, it is a base and we don't have the height, so we simply took the slant height of this isosceles triangle. Here CSA equal to half B1L plus half B2L, half B3L, and so on. So here we just took the common factor of these all things as half L. Then B1 plus B2 plus B3 and B4 and so on. So the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Then let us see the total surface area of the cone. The total surface area of the cone is simply like, now we know the curved surface area of the cone as pi RL. Now we have to add this pi r square, which is the area of the circle, means the base of the cone, and we will get the TSA of the cone as pi r of L plus R. Then let's see about the cylinders. Cylinders, another. Cylinder like this. So here is a cylinder, right? When we see in our homes like gas cylinders, etc. So I just opened this also. Now we can see it is a rectangle and two circles. Here the length of the rectangle becomes the circumference of the base of that cylinder, and breadth becomes the height. So the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Then this is about the curved surface area, and total surface area is very simple. We just have to add these two circles in the curved surface area, which means 2 pi r h of plus pi r square plus pi r square, which is equals to 2 pi r of r plus h. Then let us see about the sphere. So first you just have to take a ball, okay? After taking a ball, just now I just put it like this. Can you say how much the length is? So with the help of a scale, we will measure the diameter of this ball. Then we just do, now I just did it, which is equal to 7, the ball's diameter is 7. Now I simply did it, that 7 by 2, which is equals to 3.5, which is our radius. Now with that radius, with the help of a compass, what you have to do is take 3.5 centimeter with the help of a scale and this compass, and just draw circles with this compass. Then you have to do is put the gum and wrap the thread all over the ball, so that you will get like this. After that, you have to remove it, and after removing it, you have to do it. Just put it in these circles and wrap it as you did in the before. As you did, you can do how many you want, but you will only get four. You will only get four, and these four are equal. And so we can say that the curved surface area and lateral surface area of the sphere is equal to 4, that as we have here, and pi r square, which is the area of the circle. So this is how we get the TSA, means total surface area, and lateral curved surface area of the sphere as 4 pi r square. Then my friend will explain you about hemisphere.
Hemisphere. Hemisphere is the half part of the sphere, and hemisphere's lateral surface area is half part of the sphere, and surface area of the sphere. Surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, and the half part of the sphere is hemisphere. We calculate that you get the curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and the total surface area of the sphere, we consider the CSA of hemisphere, and the area of its base. We consider the area and the curved path. We with and that add that, and we get that 3 pi r square. Anaswin will continue.
So we are all discussed about these all surface areas, right? Now let us see where we use it. Like, what is the applications of these all things in our daily life? Okay. So see, these are the buildings, very beautiful, right? Yeah, very beautiful. So architectures and in the engineers use the surface areas to build buildings, dams, and etc. Because they have to know how much glass is required, concrete is required, iron is required, and etc. Then in medicines, we know that we usually wear, if we had a fever, we take medicines, right? So medicines have a nature that they can't, if they get contact with the environment, all the gases, they will react, which is very harmful to us. So the industries do the packaging of the tablets, medicines, so that they are with the help of surface area, they'll do the packaging of these medicines. Then heat transformation. We know heat transformation, like it is very helpful in automobiles, solar panels, and like we see in fridges, coolers, ACs, and etc. These all heat transformer helps in these all things. So this heat transformer is also made with the help of surface area. So what they do is measuring the surface area, and they all invent these all things. Next, we see all things, and also the scientists, the environment scientists use surface area, and so that it will be helpful to them to study about the ecosystem and habitats. Now my friend will tell you about other applications in our daily life.
In daily life, you want to pack some gift packets to give your friend birthday party. You have the material of make the packet. You want some material, what covers and some cardboards. You want some cardboards and covers. You will use the surface areas formulas, and you will easily find out the how much the material is required to make that. And paintings and coating. In paintings, there are walls four. How much the walls have? How much the walls required to paint them? We consider the surface area and easily find out how much they want paint to paint the walls. And in our daily life also, our mother will cook different kinds of bowls, but some bowls are some bowls directly observe the heat fastly, and some bowls are slowly observe the heat. By the help of the surface area, by the shape of the bowl, we can consider the surface area, and we easily tell how the ball required the heat fastly, how the ball required the heat slowly. Thank you.
అరే అది
My good afternoon, everyone. I am Siri Chandana. She is my friend Samanya. We are from VVK. Welcome to our maths presentation. We are excited to share our project. How maths is essential in different fields. And next, my friend will continue.
That is right. But first, let's look at our topic banking. Math is used for banking purposes, loans, deposits and withdrawal of funds, interest and various other transactions. Math is used for banking purposes, loans, deposits and withdrawals of funds, interest and various other transactions. And next, my friend will continue.
Exactly. Without maths, handling financial transactions would be so difficult. Now, let's move to the medical field. Various contents are used for making medicine. The ratio of the contents are very important. And next, my friend will continue.
That is so important. Now, let's start about our next topic. Name is weather. Today's weather. See, Chana, how is today's weather?
Today's weather is cool.
Means it's
Windy.
Okay, this is windy. Means it is cool. The temperature is cool. Math is used for finding temperature of a day. It is It is used for finding speed of wind, annual rainfall, etc. And next, my friend will examine.
True. Maths is Maths is everywhere, even in cooking also. For example, For making a perfect tea, the ratio of milk and water is important, and these are the steps of preparing the tea. Next, my friend will continue.
Our next topic name is driving. You can look here the varieties of transports. Here is car, here is aeroplane, and etc. We can calculate the distance traveled, time taken for the journey, the speed of vehicle, fuel concept, etc. with the help of maths. And next, my friend will continue.
And let's not forget, math is essential in subjects like physics and mathematics, geography, economics. Like math is essential in science like physics, where we calculate speed and force. In economics, to analyze graphs and percentages. Look at these are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Next, my friend will continue.
And next, we have constructions, buildings. Maths is an unavoidable thing in construction fields. Here we need to find area, perimeter, quality of materials, height of the buildings, elevation, etc. And next, my friend will continue.
That's why maths is so important in every field. Thank you for visiting our project.
Have a great day.
లాస్ట్ దానికి స్టార్ట్
Good evening, everyone. I am Chandana. Good evening, everyone. I am Chandana. She is Kirtana and she is Harni. We are from 7th class. Now we are tell about classification of triangles. First one, my friend is continuing. Equator triangle. A triangle have all three sides of equal length is called equator triangle. Equator triangle is equal length. My friend will continue. Isosceles triangle. A triangle is having two sides of equal. Two sides of equal. Two sides of equal. Length is called an isosceles triangle. Two sides of equal, one sides of different. Scalene triangle. If all the three sides are of triangle are of different length, the triangle is called a scalene triangle. Three sides of different. My friend will continue. Acute angle triangle. A triangle whose all angles right angle triangle base 90 degrees. Right angle triangle. A triangle whose any one of these angles right is called an right angle triangle. Exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle triangle. A triangle whose any one of angle is obtuse
Accused called accused angle triangle. Above 90 degrees.
Thank you for visiting
Our
our
project.
project.
పోయింది అక్కడ పోయింది కదా
Hello. 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 Hello.
దీనికి దగ్గరికి పోతురా ఇప్పుడున్న ఇది తక్కువ
Hello. 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 Hello.
అన్న కొంచెం సౌండ్ పెట్టావా?
ఇది వస్తలేదా
ఈమె వాయిస్ వస్తలేదు.
రికార్డ్ చేయరా దీనిలో సౌండ్ వస్తుంది మీరు మాట్లాడితే
లేవు అయిపోయినాయి. తింటాను
అరే వాళ్ళ గలి పెడుతుంది
ఒక చాక్లెట్.
Good evening to all. My name is Kirtana. She is my friend.
చాలుని
She is Taruni. I'm studying in the 8th class. Simple equations. First, additions. First, ఒక అతను 200 ఫోన్స్ కావాలని ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చిండు. ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తే అది కంపెనీలో 135 ఫోన్సే ఉన్నాయి. ఇక మిగతా ఎన్ని తయారు చేయాలో నాకు తెలియదు. ఆయనకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఎక్స్ లెక్క తీసుకున్నాం. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మైనస్ 200 మైనస్ 135 సేమ్ ఇలా మళ్ళీ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 200 మైనస్ 135 మార్కర్ మార్కర్
మొత్తం మనసులో వేస్ట్.
ఆగని చెప్తాను 65 కదా ఆన్సర్
65.
x is equals to 200 minus 135 x is equals to 200 లకి యాక్చువల్లీ 135 తీసేస్తే మైనస్ చేసినాం అనుకో 65. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ తోని ఈజీగా సింపుల్ గా 65 ఫోన్స్ తయారు చేస్తే అయిపోతుంది. ఇది కంటిన్యూస్
మల్టిప్లికేషన్. నా బర్త్డే నా దగ్గర 90 రూపీస్ ఉన్నాయి. మా మమ్మీ చాక్లెట్స్ కొనకంటుంది. నేనైతే కొనాలనుకుంటాను. సో 2 రూపీస్ చాక్లెట్ ఒకటి
2 రూపీస్
ఒక చాక్లెట్ 2 రూపీస్. సో 90 రూపీస్కి ఎన్ని చాక్లెట్స్ వస్తాయో నాకు తెలియదు. సో నేను సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేసి చెప్తాను.
2 రూపీస్ 90
ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 2ని ఇది పంపిస్తే డివిజన్ అవుతుంది. సో 2 1s 2 4s 2 5s x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 45.
అక్కడవి చెప్పు
సో నాకు 45 చాక్లెట్స్ వస్తాయి.
డివిజన్
నెక్స్ట్ డివిజన్.
నెక్స్ట్ మంచి
డివిజన్ లో ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర 63 బిస్కెట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. వాటిని 7 మెంబర్స్ కి ఇద్దాం అనుకుంటాను. కానీ ఒక్కరికి ఎంత వస్తుందో నాకు తెలియదు. సో నేను ఈ సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తాను.
x is equals to
63 by 7 x. ఇక్కడ x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 63
by
7 7 1s 7 9s x ఈక్వల్స్ టు 9. సో ఒక్కరికి 9 బిస్కెట్స్ దొరుకుతాయి. అలాంటివే ఇవి కూడా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, అడిషన్ కి, మల్టిప్లికేషన్స్ కి, డివిజన్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అంతే.
Yes. Selena. Selena. Good evening to all. My name is Vijayvardhan. I am from 8th class. Today we are telling about a fraction story. One day, one boy is there. The boy name is Krishna. Krishna was 8th class, and after, one day Krishna's teacher said 3 by fractions, fractions, and Krishna was followed in the life. Example. Krishna was came to the school and see the house, see her house, and the house is divided into 3 parts. 2 parts are painted, 1 part are unpainted. The Krishna say 2 by 3 is painted, 2 by 3 is painted, 1 by 3 is unpainted. 1 by 3 is unpainted, and Krishna was go inside and uh, uh, go and fresh up and eating dinner. And Krishna's dad asked how much curry is over. Krishna said, so 3 by 4 part is over, 1 by 4 part is remaining. And the Krishna was go to her room, and Krishna was rest some time. And after day, Krishna's mother brought some milk. Krishna asked, 1 by 2 part of milk is there. Mom, I want 1 glass of milk. And the Krishna's mother said, no, only have 1 by 2 part of milk is there. The after that, Krishna's was going for mine as a school picnic, and Krishna was study it, and Krishna was entered the bus, and bus was started. The bus was going the road. Krishna was see the trees. Each divider have 3 trees, and total trees are 6. Krishna imagine 3 by 6 trees is there in one divider. And Krishna was reached the mind, and a person come and said, you are visit the 3 by 5th mind, 5th sector of mind, and the all are going to the mind. Krishna observed the surrounding, and Krishna see a mountain. The mountain have 1 by 3rd part is full of rock, 1 by 3rd part is trees and animals, 1 by 3rd part is trees, animals, human beings, and that and they all are reached the 3 by 5th sector,
and and 3 by 6, and teacher was explaining it. Uh, Teacher was explaining it, and and another person come and said, sir, daily some gold are missing. What? How much gold is missing? Sir, it is more gold. More gold is missing. You go and complain police police station. You go and police station and complain it, and the person go to the police station, and they enter the police station. The police talk, in our state, we have 10 costly cars. In our district have 5 costly cars. Another police said, 5 by 10 costly cars in our district. Yes, 5 by 10 costly cars in our district. And the person listen this words, and the person complained of the issue, and the police say, total in our district we have 30, in our district 30 green color cars have. The person said 29 cars is not thief. One by 30 car is have gold, and they say exhibit. We see in our daily life we use fractions in many times, and another some examples: cooking and baking. 1 by 2 cup of sugar, and 3 by 4 teaspoons of tea powder. Sharing and dividing. Building a pizza, each person get 1/8 part of pizza. Timer: 1/2 hours is equals to 30 minutes. Measurements: 1/2 inches and 3/4 inches. Sports: completed 3/4 lap of a race. Thank you for Satvik. Marker ಅಣ್ಣ marker mark
Good evening to everyone. My name is Satvik. I am from 8th well. Today I will tell about maths made simple. And now I will explain about first topic, 2-digit multiplication with 1x1 method. 1x1 method to use and multiplied these numbers. 1 has a straight multiplication, 5 into 3. 5 into 3 is equals to 15. Next, x has a cross multiplication. 3 into 2, 3 into 5. 3 to the 6, 3 into 5, 15. These two numbers are added. Next, the answer 21. Next, 1 has a straight multiplication, 2 into 3, 6. These numbers are added them. 5 has 6 to write. 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 2, 8. This is the method of 1x1 method. Second topic is 3-digit multiplication number method. This is the method of second topic. Take a 3-digit multiplication number and solve the question. First, 1 as a state multiplication. 5 into 3, 15. Next, x cross multiplication. 5 into 4, 7 into 3. 5 4 is 27, 3 is 21. These two numbers added. The answer 41. Next, big X and 1x only once. 2 into 5, 6 into 3, 7 into 4. 2 5 is 10, 6 3 is 18, 7 4 is 28. These numbers added. The answer 56. Next, x cross multiplication. 7 into 2, 6 into 4. 7 2 is 14, 6 4 is 24. The answer 38. Next, 1. 1 has a state multiplication. 6 into 12. Next, the 5 has to write 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 0 has to write 10 plus 1, carry them, 5, add them. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 plus 4 has to write 10 plus 1, carry them, 2, 3, add them. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 1 has to write. This is the method of 3-digit multiplication number. Next, third topic is multiplying with 11. Only with multiplying number. Example, 2, 4, 3, 6 into 11. The corners number 2 into this corner number has to write 2, 6. The first step is 3 plus 6. Second step is 4 plus 6. Third step is 2 plus 4. First step 3 plus 6, 9. 3 plus 6, 9. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. The answer 2, 6, 7, 9, 6. This is the trick of 11 digit number. The fourth topic is powers. Take any number. I am take this number 201 square. 201 square round figure is 200. To write 200 plus 1 whole square is equals to this formula as is to write A represent 200, B represent 1. How many is there? The A on 200, B there 1. 2 2s are 4. The 2 zeros, double to right. The 4 zeros come. 40,000 plus 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are 4. The 4 right, 2 zeros has to right. Plus 1 square is 1. These numbers are added them. 40,000 plus 400, 40,400. 40,400 plus 1, 40,401. 201 square is equals to 40,401. The fifth topic is squaring. Find out the squaring. 15 square. 15 as right. Plus the 1's place of 5 plus 5 to right. By 5 square. This is a 5. That's why 5 square. 15 plus 5, 20. The 5 square is 25. 2 and the corners number 2 and 5. 2 and 5 to right. These mid number to add them. 0 plus 2, 225. 15 square is equals to 25. This trick of squaring. Sixth trick is squaring unit plus 1. Only unit plus 1 as there. This trick is possible. The 51 square is equals to 51 minus 1. The 51 minus 1 is equals to 50 square. 50 square is equals to 2500. 50 into 2, 100. The 1 has added to them 100. The 101. 101 added to 2500. The answer 2601. The 51 square is equals to 2601. Square unit plus 5. Only unit plus 5 are unit plus 5 as there. The trick is possible. Example 45 square. 4 after number 5. That's why 4 into 5. 4 into 5 you multiply. Next 5 square is equals to 5 into 5. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is equals to 25. 4 into 5 is equals to 20. These two numbers will combine 2025. 45 square is equals to 2025. These tricks of maths made simple.
టచ్ చెప్పండి నాకు తిప్పాలి కదరా తిప్పాలి పెద్దలు చదివా ఇటు రామానుజన వెనక్కి
Namaskar.
నమస్కార్
Myself, dear Kumar, and this is my friend Varun. Our topic is our Vedic mathematicians. Our Vedic mathematicians. Our Vedic mathematicians are very great. Or very great because they will do calculations very fast and very short. They will say in shortcut. First, we say that about. First, we told about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was born on 4th century. When we hear the when we hear the name of Aryabhatta, we thought that he invented the zero, but it's not true. Shall we take a case? Varun, how many pens are there on that?
3 pens.
How many pens are there on the table?
0.
Yes, but Aryabhatta did not use a zero. He said that it is a nothing value and it is not a zero. Then he also worked on the value of pi. And he take a circle. The circumference equals to 62,832 and the diameter equals to 20,000. When he divided, he get approximately 3.1416 centimeters, and he concluded that it is the value of pi. And he said the relation between pi and circle also. The relation between circumference of the circle and the diameter of the circle is pi. And next, Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta is born on 5th century. We learn about Aryabhatta. And we learn about Aryabhatta. Here in Aryabhatta told that Aryabhatta invented the not invented the zero, but Brahmagupta invented the zero. Brahmagupta invented the zero. He told that zero is the special number, because if we take one number like 1, the same number will subtract from each other is get as 0. And next, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 22nd December 1887. In this day, our mathematicians day. And when we thought about Srinivasa Ramanujan, we get that 1729 number. What is this 1729 number? Srinivasa Ramanujan, when he was in the London in Cambridge College, he did not experience the health, and he was ill, and he go to hospital. When he was on the bed, his friend Hadley visit him. When the Hadley say that I was traveled on the traveled on the taxi number is 1729. It is a dull number. It is a nothing number. Then Ramanujan said that no, it is an interesting number. No, it is an interesting number. He said that 1729 is the least number, that the summation of 2, that is expressible in 1 cube, 1 cube plus 12 cube and 9 cube plus 10 cube. 1 cube equals to 1, 12 cube equals to 1728. When we plus 1 plus 1728, we get 1729, and 9 cube equals to 729, and 10 cube equals to 1000. When we plus this both, we get 729. That's why this number is called as Ramanujan number. And my friend will continue about Paolo Malana.
Pauluri Malana was born in 11th century and our Andhra Pradesh state. He translated a book, Ganita Sara Sangraha, into Telugu. Sara Sangraha Ganitam. And he invented unit of measurements, means kgs, liters. And also he invented some tricks in multiplications and divisions. And next go to Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya also born in 11th century. And he invented Pythagoras theorem. And my friend will be explain about Pythagoras theorem.
He said about proof. He proved that the Pythagoras theorem is correct. Before that, Bauddhayans are also proved the Pythagoras theorem. Bhaskaracharya also proved. He taken two squares with a equals to 5 centimeters and b equals to 12 centimeters, and the sum of two areas of AB, a square plus b square equals c square. That's why he added the square on the top, and a equals to 5, b equals to 12, and the 5 square equals to 25, 12 square equals to 144. Then we add the 25 plus 144, we get 169. That equals c square. But 169 is there, but in this 13 is there. When we change the 169 into number, not a square, c equals to under root 169. Then we get c equals to under root 13 square. So square and square root will be cancelled, and c equals to 13. That's it. And my friend will continue.
And Bhaskaracharya invented a dot addition, and my friend will be explaining dot.
When we take three number addition, when we add 7 plus 6, we get 13. 10 as a dot, we take the 10 as a dot, and remaining is 3. 3 is added to the 9, and 9 will transform into 12. That's why we get another dot, and the last number is 2, and we have 2 dots. 2 dots means 7 plus 2. We add to this, and 7 plus 2 equals to 9, and 9 is added to the 7. Then we get 16. The 10 is transformed into dot, and 6 will add it to the 6. Then we get 12, and the 10 transforms into dot, and we get 2. And there are 2 dots. We get 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, and we get 11. The 10 forms 1 dot, and 1 added to the 3, and we get 4. How many dots? 1. This is the shortcut way to addition. It is written in the Leelavati's book. Leelavati's books. She is the daughter of the Bhaskaracharya. That's fine.
And Bhaskaracharya invented decimal number system. And next go to Mahaviracharya. Mahaviracharya born in 9th century, and he invented algebraic identities, and he invented LCM method. Over. Thank you. చేతుల్లో చిన్న పాని ఇదిరా
ఇట్లా రైట్
Namaskar everyone. My name is Rehan. My friend name is Jagadish. Now we are going to explain about statistics. So first of all, my friend is going to explain about statistics.
Now let me know about statistics. What is statistics? Statistics is simply defined as a study on manipulation of data. Manipulation means the data is represented as we wish. Next we know about data. What is data? Data is a collection of information such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, etc. For example, we take a class. In class, 2 members marks for 5 exams. Then that information called numerical data. Next, basic in statistics. The basic of statistics include a central tendency, measure of central tendency. Central tendency means mean, median, mode. What is mean? Mean is the average of the observation. Median, mid value when it is arranged in an order. Mode is when the number occurred more times, called mode. For example, we take first student exam marks 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and second student 6, 7, 8, 10, 12. Now we calculate mean. Mean formula: sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations: 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 by 5. 19 plus
38
is equals to 38 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5
57
sevens are 35.6. His average is 7.6. Now we know about second persons. Second person 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 by 5. 10 plus 10 plus 12, 22, 22 plus 8 and 22 and 30, 30 plus 7, 37, 37 plus 6. 40? 43 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40.6. His average is 8.6.
first 7.6
First student's average is 7.6. Second student 8.6. He is greater than he. Now second students.
completed mode
Now we calculate median. Median when it is even, we will take n by 2. When it is odd, we will take n plus 1 by 2. Now there are 5 observations. We will take n plus 1 by 2. 5 plus 1 by 2. 2 1 is equals to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are.
Third observation was a median for both. Now we calculate mode. Mode is the number occurred, the number is repeated, we call as mode. In this, the number repeated as 9. In this, the number repeated 10. First student mode is 9, second student mode is 10.
Representation of that.
Now let me know about representation of data. There are different ways to represent data, like bar graphs, histogram, pie chart, pictograph, line graph, and frequency distribution table. Now my friend will continue.
Okay, now my friend have said about what is statistics. Now I'm going to explain about what are the applications of statistics, like where statistics can be used. So let me name some applications of statistics. They are healthcare and medicines, government and public policy, science and technology, social sciences, sports, business and economics, transportation and logistics, engineering, education, finance, information technology and cyber security, environmental science. So let's understand one by one. So first one is healthcare and medicines. So how is statistics used in healthcare and medicines? So in healthcare and medicine, statistics is used in 4 types. They are clinical trials, epidemiology, genetics, public health. So let's try to understand them. Clinical trials. So what is clinical trials? So let me explain. So clinical trials. So we all know that technology is improving day by day in our world. Technology is improving day by day in our world. So same like that, the way of treatments, like how the patients would get the treatment, also should develop. For example, there is an old treatment in which a patient should wait for 5 to 6 months to recover, but we can develop a new treatment in which we can just recover the patient in just 2 months. So like that cases, we can use statistics. So we can use statistics in developing or creating new treatment methods. So we can collect the data when we are considering the old treatment method. We would collect the data. We would collect the data that this much patients have recovered in this much time. So first we would collect the data of the old treatment, then we would consider a new treatment. So in the new treatment, same like that, we would consider that this much patients recovered in this much days. So when we collect both the data, we would compare them. So when we compare them, we would know that which data is more effective for the diseases to overcome. So which is more efficient, which is more effectively used, could be used for the patients to overcome the disease. So like that, statistics is used in clinical trials. Now epidemiology. Epidemiology is nothing but the study of diseases. It also includes the factors of diseases, like which factor is causing the disease and also how to prevent the disease. So this is about epidemiology. So in diseases, if we collect the data of what is the disease, what are the factors of the disease, we can know that which factor is causing more to cause the disease. We can know that this factor is the most causing factor of the disease. So we can just try to eliminate the factor in order to prevent the disease. So like that, statistics can be used in epidemiology. Next, public health. Public health, we know that some people come to our homes to take surveys, like that, etc. So they come to our homes to take surveys. When they take survey, they ask some basic information about us. So when they collect information about us, after all the data is collected, they would compare that which disease is most common among all the people. So which disease would be the most common in all the people would be the common disease, right? So the government would work on that disease to prevent that disease. Like that, statistics could be used in healthcare and medicines. Now coming to sports. So sports, how is statistics used in sports? So in sports, let's consider football. So in football, what we have to do in football, we have to score goals, right? So uh, uh, like what does a coach does? He records every data of individual player, like he's scoring this much goals, he's scoring that much goals. He would record like that. When he record every individual's data, he could compare that which player has done most of the goals. He would compare every player's performance, and he could know that which player is playing more effectively for the team. So by this, we can say that the team is strong, we can say that the team is weak, like that we can say. And injury prediction and prevention. So we have considered football. Let's again consider football. So in football is a leg game, right? We have to hit the ball with our leg. So most of the injuries could be to our leg. So we can predict that the injury must be to the leg. So we can prevent the injuries before it has happened. So like that, statistics can be used in sports. Now coming to education. So educational research. So we know that when education in our schools, our teachers, different types of teach us in different ways. Like our teachers teach us in different ways. So if imagine that there is a teacher, he uses different ways to teach. So what would he do is, he would teach in a way first. So firstly, initially he would teach in a way, and he would record the data, like how much people passed in a test when the teacher conducted an exam. Like that, he would record every single data of his teachings. Like when he teach in different ways, he would get different data. So in which way of teaching the students get most of the good results, the teacher would use that way of teaching to teach the students, because the students get the most marks uh, through that way of teaching. So that teacher would consider that way of teaching. Like that, statistics can be used in education. Now finance. Okay, investment analysis. So we know that there are very big companies. Okay, there are very big companies. So what companies do is, they go to investors, they go to big investors, and they request the investors to cooperate with them, to join with them, so that they can get a good profit. But the investor may not agree with the investor may not agree with the companies, because they don't know about how the company would get the profit. They may get profit or they may get loss. So what would the company will do is, they will show their historical data, like what the company has achieved in last their history, like what they have achieved in the past years. They would show it to the investor. They would show that we have got this much profit in these years. So the investor could be interested to join with them. So they both will join and share the profit with each other. Like that, statistics can be used in finance. So next, transportation and logistics. We know that our city is Warangal. Okay, so Warangal, we know that Warangal is a busy city. In roads, there are always vehicles running on our roads. So there must be traffic signals, there must be lanes on roads to control the traffic.
and there must be a traffic police to control the traffic. So like that, imagine that there is a traffic police officer. So he had got a job in different village in where he had not know about what could be the traffic there, how much traffic would be there, and when the traffic would be there. So what would the traffic police do is, when he go to the different village, so when he go to a different village, he will note that on this day, on this time, there is some specific traffic. So he would note that every day, and when he note that every day, he could know that on this day this much traffic is there. So according to it, he would arrange lanes, would arrange traffic signals, and he would arrange anything that needs to be on the roads for the traffic police officer. So like that, after arranging them, he could optimize the routes, like he would arrange traffic signals, like that he could do. Okay, so these are some applications of statistics. Thank you for giving us this opportunity.